Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Train. The Galaxy S8 and the S8 Plus are finally out. I have here the Galaxy S8 Plus in the orchid grey color, and it's time to unbox it. So let's go and do it right now. Before we do that, let's have a look at the specs of the phone. The Galaxy S8 Plus has a 6.2-inch Quad HD Plus Super AMOLED display. The phone has a 12 megapixel main camera with dual pixel autofocus and 8 megapixel front-facing camera with autofocus. The phone is IP68 dust and water resistant. It has an iris scanner. It has 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage, and it comes with built-in wireless charging. The phone has an AKG Tune earphones bundled with it in the box. It's finally time to unbox this phone and see what's inside. Opening up the box, we have the Galaxy S8 Plus itself sitting on top. This phone looks gorgeous. I have the orchid grey color here, which is amazing to look at. Let's put the phone aside for a moment and see what else is in the box. We have the plastic tray. Moving on, we have a box which has the SIM ejector tool in the back. Opening up the box, we have a bunch of literature, which I'm sure nobody bothers to read. And then we have the power adapter itself. This phone is from the UK, so it has a UK style power adapter. The phone comes with adaptive fast charging. And then we have the USB to USB-C converter. This can be used for USB on-the-go purposes. And then we have the micro USB to the USB-C converter. This makes moving from the micro USB to the USB-C style a little bit easier. Opening the box, we then have the USB to USB-C cable for charging and data transfer purposes. And then we have the AKG Tune headphones. This is part of Samsung's acquisition of Harman Kardon. And then we have a bunch of spare earbuds. Let's go ahead and turn on the phone. That is the new button to launch Samsung's new voice assistant, Bixby. We have plenty of Galaxy S8 Plus coverage coming up on the channel, so please subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks.